Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening the August Boxycharm. I'm super excited about this box. Last month's box was like meh for me, so I've seen some sneak peeks of this and so I'm really excited. So if you would like to see what I got in my Boxycharm, then just keep on watching. This month's theme is Life of the Party. So the first thing that I'm gonna use in the box is this. I'm super excited about this. This is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal eyeshadow palette. It's pretty little, so it would probably be really awesome to travel with, and the design on the front is really beautiful. It's got like that holographic look to it, and it comes with a mirror. Those are some colors. This retails for $19. I've never tried anything from Laura Lee's brand, so I'm excited to try it, and I'm definitely going to have to use another palette. So far what I've got on the eyes using this palette, I struggle to know what to do with really bright colors, so this is the best I could do. It would be really great to pair with like an all neutral palette to travel with, because you would only need those two palettes. The formula seems pretty nice. Everything seems pretty pigmented and there's not a lot of fallout or anything like that. So far I like it pretty well. Dang, I should have done these first. This is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I will use them, and if I like them, I'll let you know. I think I'm gonna do an empties video, so I'll use them and test them out. I just forgot to do it before I did this. I mean, I guess I could do it now, but I mean, we're already in the makeup part. And these retail for $13, I guess, for all three of these, which is not a bad price. The next makeup item in the box is this Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner. It says you can use it as an eyeliner, an eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. I'm going to try to line my eyes with this. I'm not very good at gel liner, so let's not judge this eyeliner by my abilities. This retails for $22. So I added the brown eyeliner and I tried to do a wing with it, but it didn't look right, and I don't know how I feel about this. Like, you can barely see the brown, and it's just because I have such a bright eyeshadow look on. But I would say this wasn't amazing. Once it dried, like if you tried to fill in more where you already had eyeliner, it was just kind of like crusty and dry. So I don't know, I won't say that I don't like it, because I would definitely need to try it with a different look. I'm going to finish up a good bit more of my makeup, and then I'll come back for the next item in the box. I am back, and I put on foundation, bronzer, blush, highlight. Had to put on some black eyeliner. I just had to save this look. It was looking really bad. And I put some of my face highlight on my brow bone and my inner corner. So now we can move on to the next item in the box. House of Lashes lashes. These are in the style Boudoir. Look at how big these are. I have never tried House of Lashes before, but I am super excited to do so. I'm going to put on these lashes and then I'm going to finish off my lower lash line. This is everything but the lips, and I really like these lashes. I mean, look at these. Like, they were really easy to put on. I struggled a little bit the last time I got lashes in the box. Just the band was a little big and thick for me, but these aren't. It's a really thin band. I think that these are really comfortable. They're lightweight. They're not heavy at all. The next thing in the box is this Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick. And this is in the shade Stay Neutral. I have never tried a Smashbox liquid lipstick before, so I'm excited to try this. This is like a deep nude, which is usually really good for my skin tone, so let's try it out. Let me zoom you out because I always get out of frame. I don't know if it works for me. I always feel like whenever I put these on, do I look like I have cement on my lips? Anyway, I really like the formula, but the applicator was super easy to use. It was very easy to be very precise, especially around my cupid's bow and the corners of my mouth, which is something that I really struggle with. Eyelashes, I forgot to say, retail from anywhere from $9 to $12. But I actually really like this, and I think the longer I look at the color, the more I like it. Retails for anywhere from $21 to $24. And I'm curious to know how similar it is to the Ofra liquid lipstick that we got a couple of boxes ago. So as you can see, this is the Smashbox and this is the Ofra in the shade Verona. And this one is just much more cool toned than this one. And the very last thing in the box is this artiss Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. They put cuticle oil on my nails after I go and get them done, but honestly, I don't know if it does anything, but we will try it today. This retails for $18, and it says it has almond in it, which I really like the smell of almonds, so. Oh yeah, it smells like a sweet little treat. My cuticles feel very oiled. I don't really have much to say about that because I have nothing to compare it to. Seems like a nice enough product. I'm just not usually big into oils on your hand. I'm a pretty oily person, so I don't need to add additional oils usually. The overall value of the box was over $100 this month, which is really great and exciting as usual because you only paid $21. And we actually got 6 items in the box this month when we normally only get 5. I would say that my favorite thing in the box would probably be either the lashes or this liquid lipstick. These were both really good items. The only thing I didn't really care for was the eyeliner. I mean, it was okay, and I'll definitely have to try it out some more, but I didn't love it. Let me know down below if you like this month's Boxycharm. Were you disappointed? That is it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. And that is those, wait.